So we're in Pontremoli today, which is one of my favorite cities. I love this area very, very much. William, take us to the house. Let's go.
Please.
This is cute as a little Aya. As per usual, they've staged it for us. Italian staging. So tell me a little bit about this house.
This is a detached stone house to be refreshed, okay?
That's a new word, refreshed. We're going to use that from now on.
The structure is good, the roof is good.
How old is the roof, you think?
About 20 years ago. For us, it's not old and not new.
Oh, is that true? So how long does one of these terracotta roofs last?
This is a typical Pontremoli roof with chestnut beams and terracotta tiles. For that, you can renew this roof maybe in the next 20 years.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's amazing. I did not know that. That's a good fact. So we walk right into the kitchen. Oh boy, this is a renovation. I'm going to say the positive things. It's a good size.
Yes, good size for kitchen.
It's nice that it goes out to the Aya. I wonder if you could make that door bigger.
Yes.
You think you can?
You can enlarge a little bit, yes.
A little bit, okay. Yes. And then of course this all goes. This is all, this is trash. We might want to save this chair. Okay, so we have double doors that lead into nothing. So, oh golly, so they added this. This wall can come out.
Definitely.
This is, I don't understand this floor plan. Bathroom. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep in mind it's 80,000 euros. I would probably offer you maybe 50,000 euros for this. It's going to take another 100, at least 100, 125 to make it look like something with furniture.
Yes, but it's a detached property with terrace and little pieces of garden.
No, I think it's great. I'm just saying, most of the people that would walk in here would go, no. Like, no. Okay. Low ceiling, no. So this gets completely ripped out.
This area, of course.
I mean, if I can touch the ceiling, that's a bad sign because I'm 5'3". So I'm very little. And so, same in the bathroom. There's a big crack here. This is a complete gut job, we say.
Yeah.
Gut job. We just take everything out. We don't even leave, we leave nothing.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. And fully staged for filming.
This is the old part, it's the vaulted part.
I would say the ceiling's very cute. This room's pretty cute.
Yeah.
But again, I would probably, everything would get ripped out of here for me. I would just throw it all away and start over again. So here are the positive things. The village is very pretty. It's very cute. Pontremoli is one of my favorite places.
Yeah.
These are great houses for people that don't want to spend a lot of money and want to renovate. So this is actually a great project for somebody, is the way I'm looking at it. There's an Aya, and there's a terrace, which is outdoor spaces are extremely valuable. And then it's an easy lock and leave. So I think I would offer 50 for this. I would say I'm going to offer these people 50,000 euros for this, which for us is a lot more. It's like 70,000 euros now because the dollar is not great at this moment in time. That changes, it fluctuates. And then I would probably budget like 100,000 with furniture and everything, soup to nuts, the whole thing. And I mean, everything gets ripped out because all the floors are uneven. And when I come in, I'm scary because I see everything. There's a lot of cracks, there's a lot of problems going on here.
Old cracks, yes.
But it's a problem. I show people, they're enamored with, oh, I'm gonna buy a house in Italy. But these are things that are, like, this could be a serious structural problem. It goes all the way. So you have to get your geometra in here.
Yes.
You have to hire a geometra and redo the floor plan. But these two rooms are the original rooms.
Yeah, two rooms.
Yeah, and then what is that? Keep going, don't be scared, keep going. I think he's afraid of me, and he should be. Okay, another room. There's a little humidity here, which is odd.
Because we are attach it to the ground.
To them. So, you know, whenever I see stuff like this is not good because this is going to have stuff behind it. And so everything gets stripped out, you know, and that way you're assured that you're not living someplace where you're breathing mold while you're sleeping. Right?
Yes.
Because it's dangerous. Right. I mean, it's not great. That's why they have all the windows open today, because it's humid in here. It smells humid.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Carry on with it.
Okay.
Carry on. More?
Is
this it?
No, we go to the basement.
Okay. Oh, basement. We're going to the basement.
This is the cellar for the wood storage.
Oh, it's really just storage. I don't know. I'd have to think about if I could use that for anything. But you need storage, so that's great. So there is storage.
And this is the second taverna.
Oh, this is cute. This is the cutest part of the house.
Yeah.
So you could make it something. I don't know what it is right now. It's an apartment for hobos right now. So here's a couple things. So there's really, the view is not my kind of view. I don't like either looking into or up at a mountain. It really bothers me. There's an electrical wire, you know, my favorites. What do you think about this house?
Arzengio is a tiny village, but it's very nice. I think it's a house with a great potential. Inside it's to be restored, but the structure is very good. Yeah. We are on the Via Francigena, the road connected Canterbury to Rome. This is the real street.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how many people from foreign countries live in this village?
A lot, but permanently, not for holiday only.
Oh, okay, got it.
We have Australian, American, English, South African,
well, that's cool.
And Italian.
And Italian. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I like that. I also like the food bus that comes up here. I like that
2
idea.
times per day.
Yeah. I just, being next to the electrical thing just drives me a little crazy, but you can't avoid it up in these villages because that's the only way to get power. You know, there's really no choice. And the bell's nice.
Yeah, we have 2 bells. One is from Ceretoli and one is from Arzengio.
You know, I find the bells very annoying. If you're interested in a stone house that needs renovation, William is your guy.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.